Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a purse unboxing. I'm sure you're familiar with purse unboxings by now and I cannot wait to show you guys this bag. So I will leave everything linked down below if you're interested, and today we're going to be unboxing my second ever Fendi bag. So I don't have a lot of Fendi. Like I said, this is my second Fendi bag ever, but the reason why I'm so excited is because Fendi, the one purse that I have that's from Fendi, is definitely one of my favorites. It's so beautiful and it goes with so many things, and also it's a little nostalgic for me because growing up my mom always had Fendi bags, and yeah, so they're just really special to me. So starting off, you can see this is the beautiful box, which I definitely have to keep this box. It looks so trendy and cute with the bright yellow color. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys. So this is one of my favorite colors. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So let's just go ahead and unbox this bag. This is the bag that I got. I'm so obsessed with it. I cannot say enough good things about this bag, and this is one of my favorite colors. So how cute is this? It's kind of like a suede, and I believe it says it's brown on the website, but in my opinion I would consider this kind of like a camel color too, if you know what I mean. It's obviously not like a dark brown. I just think this is the perfect everyday bag. It can go with a simple outfit like jeans and a white shirt with this and some camel shoes, or it can go with a more fancy, more detailed outfit with crazy colors. It really can go with so many things because it's a neutral. But let me know what you all think about this bag, because this has to be one of my favorites. I mean, at this point I probably have a few favorites, but this is definitely one of them. So hey, I'm so excited. So okay, so let me get into the details. Just like my other Fendi bag, it has this gold classic closure right here. So beautiful. And I should mention that it does come with a long strap. I will get into that a little bit later in the video. I probably will use this for every day, but the long strap would be good for traveling. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. This is what it looks like when you open it. As you can see, for the inside, it really does expand quite a bit. So you'll have plenty of space for just like the important things that you probably would need for a purse, like a phone, lip gloss, keys, and wallet. So it does have another little section in here to keep maybe more valuable things if you want to put your keys in this zipper pocket, or just anything valuable that you don't want to lose, jewelry, things like that. So like I mentioned, this is kind of a, I guess you could say like suede material. I will do a close-up so you can see this suede material, and I love the gold on it, obviously. And then this is the little strap that I added to it. I really like it for the crook of your arm, and that's also super trendy. I feel like 90s fashion is back, and I'm a 90s baby, so that makes me extra excited. But this is the little strap, and it is a little elevated right there, but I really like that. I think it makes it look that much more like put together, and it's just a nice added touch. It kind of elevates right here on the strap. And yeah, so I guess I'll just get into the extra strap. So this is the extra strap. It's beautiful, the same suede, and then on the other side it's like a leather. And this is the length of it. So as you can see, it would be the perfect crossbody strap. And honestly, you could probably put this strap on any purse that you owned, so it's a great neutral color. And like I said, this is definitely one of my favorite colors, not just because it's neutral. I've just always loved this kind of camel color. But I love the slouchiness of the bag. I can tell that once you wear it, it will kind of, you know, get a little bit more relaxed because it's kind of like this suede relaxed fabric. So that is probably everything, but I think that I will get so much use out of this bag. It probably will be one of my most used bags just because of the simplicity of it, and I know it will go with so much. So I hope that you guys loved this unboxing. Once again, let me know what you thought of it down below, and let me know what brand you want me to unbox next. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great start to your year, and like I always say, try to stay positive, try to keep going, and keep that chin up. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.